आसतु एई वीडियो रे आज आमे CTET MCQ माध्यम रे इंडियन इकोनॉमिक रो पॉवर्टी ऊपर क्वेश्चन गुड आलोचना करिबा। एहार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि, सेठि जाई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। प्रथम नंबर क्वेश्चन हेउछि पॉवर्टी लाइन इन इंडिया is primarily based on which indicator? Right answer is option number B. Question number 2. Who first defined the concept of the poverty line in India? Right answer is option number A. Question number 3. Which committee estimated poverty in India using calorie intake norms 2400 rural and 2100 urban? Right answer is option number A. Question number 4. Which committee shifted poverty measurement from calorie intake consumption expenditure? Right answer is option number B. Question number 5. The Tendulkar Committee 2009 estimated poverty based on. Right answer is option number A. Question number 6. Headcount ratio is poverty measurement referred to. Right answer is option number A. Question number 7. Poverty gap indicator. Right answer is option number B. Question number 8. Which type of poverty is measured in terms of minimum consumption level? Right answer is option number A. Question number 9. Relative poverty referred to. Right answer is option number A. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a direct case of poverty in India? Right answer is option number D. Question number 11. Which sector's backwardness is a major cause of rural poverty in India? Right answer is option number B. Question number 12. Poverty is a result of both economy and death factors. Right answer is option number C. Question number 13. Which consequence is poverty is related to malnutrition? Right answer is option number B. Question number 14. Which government program was launched in 1975 for wage employment to reduce poverty? Right answer is option number D. NREP. Question number 15. IRDP was launched in which year? Right answer is option number B. 1980. Question number 16. Which scheme was replaced by Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? Right answer is option number Question number 17. Which flagship program provides 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in rural India? Right answer is Manrega. Question number 18. Which program aimed at providing subsidy credit and employment to rural poor? Right answer is option number A. IRDP. Question number 19. The Garibi Hatao slogan was given during which 5-year plan? Right answer is option number C. Question number 20. Poverty alleviation in India is mainly addressed through which type of program? Right answer is option number A. Question number 21. Which program merged self-employment scheme like IRTP into a single scheme in 1999? Right answer is option number B. Question number 22. National Rural Livelihood Mission is popularly known as. Right answer is option number A. Question number 23. Which poverty reduction program focus on providing house to rural poor? Right answer is option number A. Question number 24. Which scheme provide from food grains to the poor at subsidy rates? Right answer is option number A. Question number 25. The Poverty Alleviation Program Swarna Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana was launched in. Right answer is option number B. 1997. Question number 26. Urban poverty in India is largely the result of. Right answer is option number A. Question number 27. Which index is used by UNDP to measure poverty beyond income? Right answer is option number C. Question number 28. Amartya Sen concept of poverty focus on. Right answer is option number A. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a poverty eradication program? Right answer is option number D. Question number 30. Which of the following state has historically shown the highest poverty ratio in India? Right answer is option number C. Bihar. Question number 31. Multi-dimensional poverty index measures poverty to term of. Right answer is option number A. Question number 32. Which economist first discovered the concept of poverty line in India in his book Poverty and on British Rule in India? Right answer is option number A. Question number 33. Which committee recommended the poverty line of 972 ଟଙ୍କା urban and 816 ଟଙ୍କା rural per capita per month in 2011 and 12? Right answer is option number B. Question number 34. Which of the following is considered a structural case of poverty in India? Right answer is option number C. Question number 35. Which poverty alleviation program was directly linked with skill development and training? Right answer is option number B. Question number 36. Which state achieved the fastest reduction in poverty ratio during 2004-2012 in India? Right answer is option number B. Question number 37. Which international organization published the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index? Right answer is option number C. Question number 38. Which factor among the following is considered a cycle cause of poverty? Right answer is option number A. Question number 39. Which program was aimed at poverty reduction through women empowerment and self-help groups? Right answer is option number A. Question number 40. The concept of vicious cycle of poverty was given by? Right answer is option number A. Question number 41. Which economist introduced the concept of relative poverty? Right answer is option number B. Question number 42. The concept of absolute poverty is measured in terms of? Right answer is option number A. Question number 43. Who is considered the father of the concept headcount ratio is poverty measurement? Right answer is option number C. Question number 44. The poverty gap index is used to measure. Right answer is option number B. Question number 45. Which committee suggests the use of calorie intake 24 for rural, 21 for urban is a poverty line certain? Right answer is option number B. Question number 46. The Gini coefficient measure. Right answer is option number B. Question number 47. Which of the following is an example of asset-based poverty alleviation program? Right answer is option number A. Question number 48. The Rangarajan Committee 2014 estimate poverty line in rural area at? Right answer is option number C. Question number 49. The World Bank defined international poverty line at? Right answer is option number B. Question number 50. Which is not a consequence of poverty? Right answer is option number C. Question number 51. Which program replaced SGSY in 2011 for rural poverty alleviation? Right answer is option number A. Question number 52. Which index combine poverty with inequality and unemployment to measure development? Right answer is option number C. Question number 53. Which state of India implemented the Padma Shri Poverty Eradication Program? Right answer is option number B. Question number 54. Who gave the famous slogan Garib Hatao during 1971 election campaign? Right answer is option number B. Question number 55. Poverty eradication included under which Sustainable Development Goal SDG? Right answer is option number A. Question number 56. Which committee replaced calorie intake method with consumption expenditure method for poverty measurement? Right answer is option number B. Question number 57. Urban bias in poverty alleviation referred to? Right answer is option number A. Question number 58. Which India state record the sharpest fall in multidimensional poverty between 2005 to 2015? Right answer is option number C. Question number 59. Which of the following is not a remedy for poverty? Right answer is option number C. Question number 60. Which poverty eradication program is implemented jointly by the center and the state? Right answer is option number A,